Hey everyone, I'm here again with another new project of my model kits, and here it is, the Tamiya 6x4 truck krupp protze Kraftfahrzeug 70. So description: it's a personal carrier, 135 scale. A lot of accessories, with weapons, ammo cases, and in the cargo area right there, and a driver and 2 infantry figures also included. So let's open this up, and here it is. So what do we have? We have one plan manual in English with of course some historical info. We have another sheet, and it shows how to paint and put together the accessories that you get. Show you more detailed in a minute. And we have the first bag. So I'm going to open this up. If I can do that. Yeah, I'll do it later. And then second bag is the accessories. Yes. And you have the decals. And you also have the window, and some wire. And you have 2 infantry figures and some parts of the truck. So yeah, I also an Chinese or Japanese manual, but I don't care about that. So I'm going to open these bags up and then show it to you. So here we have all the parts. So as you can see, this one is full of accessories, and I'm going to show you what they all are. So here's the plan sheet you get. Here you can see the wire, which is supposed to be barbed wire, and then you have a driver and 2 infantry figures are there, and also a lot of accessories in the cargo area. And here are the accessories that you get. You get a Bergman submachine gun and an Erma submachine gun, so 2 submachine guns. Then a machine gun with tripod, anti-tank rifle, a machine gun, grenade cases, magazine case, so magazine for these machine guns, and an epic grenade with 5 or 6 heads, so a multi-head grenade. So this is that's something else. Here are the grenade cases. Here we have a machine gun. Here are the normal grenades, you see, with 1 head. Here is the multi-head grenade. Where's the multi-head? Here is a multi-head grenade with the stick. Then you have here an anti-tank rifle, machine gun, some Panzerschrecks to destroy tanks with. Yeah, machine guns and a machine gun with tripod. So if you look good, you also have accessories that aren't in the manual. So what is there? Just are rifles, machine guns, some magazines, some, I suppose these are mines, yes. Grenades, grenade cases, some magazines for a pistol, some machine guns, submachine guns, a rifle, anti-tank, their magazines for the tank rifle, these panzer checks, some handguns, and here are handguns with their casing, then machine guns, submachine guns, so a hand rifle, a hand machine gun, some magazines, and you have machine guns, yeah, I already showed you that, then tripod, and then the support for one of the machine guns. So there are a lot more accessories than there is in the manual. So, and then there are even more when you look in the main manual. Yes. So here they are. You have a 5 cm light mortar. You have Car 98K rifles, sacks, jerry cans, wooden boxes, a panzerschreck, and machine guns, and also ammunition boxes. So yes, a lot of accessories that you can put it into your vehicle. So that's nice. And then for the decals, here we have it, the manual, and they give you two examples. One from the 5th Panzer Division in German grey, and one from the Panzer Division Das Reich, also in German grey. So here we have decal options for the Wehrmacht. Give you some examples of vehicle numbers and the options to choose between vehicle marks of different divisions. And I don't know what this means, it's kind of blank. And then also Luftwaffe, you can choose, there's only one vehicle number but several tactical marks. Yeah, with the Luftwaffe you don't have to apply a divisional mark, with the Wehrmacht you do. And then also a tactical mark. It's what this thing is supposed to do. Is it part of a mechanized infantry battalion, a motorcycle infantry battalion, an anti-tank gun, transportation battalion, or a mechanized artillery battalion? That's up to you to choose. So yes, this is basically it from the 6x4 krupp protze Kraftfahrzeug 70. So I will be making this in the future. I'm still busy on my Flak 88, but I'm waiting on the right color to paint it, so that can take a while. So hopefully that will be a nice build, and I see you soon. Goodbye.